All right, so in the first part, we have finished these tasks. We set up a repo, we set up the DI, navigation, splash, API, repo, home, we created a home fragment, and also we implemented some kind of focus-based background color thing. Now, so next we are going to play with the detail page. Um, yep. All right, I think Gradle done its work. Let's boot up the emulator. All right. Alright, so now what we are going to do is when someone clicks on the item, we need to render the detail page. Alright, it's good that we already have that background inside the detail page. Alright, yep, detail fragment. So we need to see, first we need to see how to use this detail support fragment. This is from the Leanback. Sorry, no. Detail support fragment. We also need to see some samples. What is this? You can set the title, make an action, can create some kind of actions. I think these are the buttons, and this is, what is class presenter selector, ps dot presenter, details overview of presenter. Okay, is it on action, clicked, details row, list row. I think it's not that hard. Things, okay. We are adding kind of photo for. I think this is the more like this content. I'm not sure. Right, let's look at the documentation. A fragment for creating Leanback detail screen. Detail support fragment address the element of its object as a set of rows in a vertical list. Okay. The adapter's presenter selector must maintain the class of row presenter. When full width details of a row presenter is found in adapter, detail support fragment will set up default behavior of the details of your overview row. The alignment of the full width details overview row presenter is set up in setup details overview presenter. The view status switching is done in On set details of viewer status. What is that? The recommended activity themes to use with you on Leanback detail. Okay, with activity shared on the transition for full bit detail overview. Okay. Support and create selected position, protected methods, create entrance transition set on details. All right, now let's look at a sample. I think this details fragment, I think, yeah, this is it. Yeah. So the output of this sample is somewhere in the showcase app details exam. All right. So what are they doing here? Yeah, full details overview of presenter, the details description presenter, then we pass create raw view holder. What are we creating here? Action view, background color. Okay, I think we are setting colors here. Okay, is this needed actually? No, it's not an abstract. Oh, it's an abstract method or what? Yeah, I think that is needed. I think this is an abstract. No, that's an abstract. So create a row order. Okay, is this an abstract class? Whatever. Full with details of a shared element helper. Why do we need this helper? No documentation. Helper class assist delayed shared element. Oh, shared element active transition for view created by. This is for shared element transition, I guess. We don't have a shared element transition. Shadow disabled row presenter. Cast presenter selector. Details card list row. I don't know. Set up presenter and distinction between different view rows. Okay. Get local image resource ID. Enable parallax. What if I disable this? Let's see. I think we need to launch the main activity. Alright. Details example. So to do the parallax effect, we need to enable that. Okay. Before setting this cover back, I think we need to call this. Got it. Recommended row. This is the row adapter. This is the main adapter. We are adding some header. Set up related row. Same as like this. Okay. Action is a different adapter. Action adapter. Okay, we have different actions and add adapter. Then we add the details of. Okay, we set the actions on the details view. Okay. Details overview row. What is this data here? Detail card. Alright. We also have some kind of, I think we have some presenter over here. But how this detail overview row, or how to render this data? I don't know. Row presenter selector, class presenter, details row, card list row, list row. I think this is the card list row. I don't know. Card list row. Card list row. What if I disable this? What will happen? Probably the app will crash, but no, it didn't crash. So this is kind of like, okay, understood. Got it. Shadow. This row presenter, what is that? Okay. All right. Okay. Now what we are going to do is we're going to follow the same method. First we need to set the title. So we will call title equals, this could be null. Okay. Args, if args null equal to null, okay, args dot movie dot name. What happened here? Oh. What is happening here? Not equals to null. What's wrong? What's wrong here? That's a class, right? No, that looks like an IDE error. But why? Mm. It works, but that was an ID issue. Yeah, forget about it. We now need a full width details overview representer. Okay, full width. This is part of the Leanback. The presenter used to render the detailed description of the view. Okay, so detailed description presenter. We need to create our own presenter to render the. But I don't know how they distinguish between the custom. We need a presenter. This will be a normal presenter. We have a layout here. All right. We have a couple of text view. We set the getter on that. All right. First, we need the layout. Can we copy this layout? Shall we do this? The background image, where is that coming from? We won't be using the stars. We can, but our rating is mostly IMDb based, so we can simply use a text view for that, I guess. Yeah, let's create our own detail view, but I want a reference. I need a reference, so we're going to look here. Okay, layout, detail view, detail view content, full details overview representer. Full width detail description presenter. Okay, we call this detail vector. Alright, detail vector. Okay, that's enough. Alright, so first we will have a title. Should I align this to left or right? No, it will automatically. Alright, text view wrap. This I'll call TV title. Alright, TV title, and the text size would be something like 26 SP. Alright, and then we'll set the start of parent, top to top of parent. Okay, this is the title. Next we are going to, what did we show inside the top two? We have writing, director, starring. We have some really nice information here. I think we can use the same. but aligning that would be so what we can do is let's just first add only the title and description. Okay, set up the presenter, see how that renders, and we can add more information as we go. TV test, this will be 20, I guess. No, 20 is number 18. Yeah, let's see. Let's remove the text. And this will be below the top to bottom of TV title, start to start of TV title. Yeah, I think that should work. This is description. All right. So full width raw presenter equals full width details of a presenter. Okay, you are expecting a presenter to present the data. Okay, now we need to create that presenter. Detail fragment, detail presenter. Okay, and this will be a normal presenter, and we are expecting a custom layout here. So what we're going to do, we will be creating a view folder, and we will call binding.root. Okay, so the binding is detail meta binding inflate. We need a layout inflator here. So what we're going to say, we will call inflator. We'll call inflator equal to layout inflator dot from parent dot context. Right, now we have the inflator here, and let's not inject this inflated, don't inject it. Okay, now it has the, or we can I think we won't be able to use the binding here. Okay, how do we use data binding with now view binding with Leanback presenter. What do we do? This is not the data binding we are talking about. So how do we get the binding object there? I don't know if this is a good idea, but we can get a tag as binding itself and get the binding object here. I don't know. give it a try. Title. Yep. Okay. Unbinding. I don't know. Let's give it to data. Okay, we have the detail presenter now. Now what? Create view holder. Presenter, view holder. This is not a customize action bar and content by using custom color. Okay, we're not going to do that. Full with details of shared element. That's everything. Okay, class presenter. Now let's create a rows adapter, and that's array object adapter, and it need a presenter. We pass a raw presenter, and this dot adapter equals rows adapter. Let's see what comes in. We didn't bind the data, right? No, we didn't bind it. Okay. Adapter dot add. Oh, sorry. Rows adapter dot add what? And the movie. I don't know. What just happened? Okay. I think our example got crashed. No. Yeah, crashed. What was the reason? Movie cannot be cast to details overview row. Movie cannot be cast to. Okay. Okay. So the details overview. You need to pass the date. Okay, these guys are expecting details overview. Okay, an item that can be the movie. So yeah, it directly doesn't accept the data. Okay. Something. Yeah, something. Got it. Add more information. I think we will need we need writing.